Hi to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about cube root of a number. Cube root of a number. Cube root of here in this class I will discuss the cube root of a number with shortcut. Now here we see the first example, square root of 5832. Cube root of 5832. Before finding this cube value, compulsory everyone knows this cubes of 1 to 9. 1 cube value is 1, 2 cube value is 8, 3 cube value is 27, 4 cube value is 64, 5 cube value is 125, 6 cube value is 216, 7 cube value is 343, 8 cube value is 512, 9 cube value is 729. Here in 1 cube last digit is 1, in 2 cube last digit is 8, in 3 cube last digit is 7, in 4 cube last digit is 4, in 5 cube last digit is 5, in 6 cube last digit is 6, in 7 cube last digit is 3, in 8 cube last digit is 2, 9 cube last digit is 9. For 1 we get 1, for 4 we get 4, for 5 we get 5, for 6 we get 6, for 9 we get 9. For 2 last digit is 8, for 8 2. 2 8 both exchanges. Similarly, 3 last digit is 7, 7 last digit is 3. 3 7 both are exchanged their values. So here 1 only repeats one time, 8 repeats one time, 7 repeats one time, and so on. All these values repeats only one time. That means here 1 is the last digit, means automatically that cube value we get last digit value is 1. 8 is the last digit, means we get 2 is the last digit. 7 is the last digit, means we get that last digit as 3. 4 is the last digit, means we get 4. 5 is the last digit, means we get 5. 6 is the last digit, means we get 6. 3 is the last digit, means we get 7 as the last digit in that cube. 2 last digit means we get 8. 9 means we get 9. Now we come to this problem. Cube root of 5832. Here last digit is 2. 2 means we get, here last digit 2 means we get 8. 8. We remove last 3 digits. 5. 5 nearer cube and lesser than the 5. 5 nearer cube and lesser than the 5. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. 8 is more than 5. So 5 cube value lesser than 5 is 1 cube 1. So 1. 18 is the cube root of this one. Next. Another problem. Cube root of 1728. 1728. Here last digit 8 means we get 2. We remove last 3 digits 1. 1 nearer cube is 1 cube. 1 cube value is 1. Cube root of 1728 is 12. Next, cube root of 42875. Last digit 5 means we get 5. Remove last 3 digits. 42 nearer and lesser than 42 cube value. So here 3 cube value is 27, which is less than 42. So this is the cube value of 3. So write 3. 35 is the cube root of this one. Cube root of 1157625. 1157625. Last digit 5 means we get 5. 5 is the last digit in the cube. Remove last 3 digits. 1157. 11 cube is 1331. 12 cube is 1728. 10 cube is 1000. Now 1157 nearer cube value and lesser than 1157 is 1000. So 10. So this is the 105 cube value. Cube root of 1331 3 zeros. Last digit 0 means we get in that cube value last digit is 0. Remove last 3 digits. 1331 nearer cube value is 11 cube. 11 cube is 1331. So 11 is the cube of that one. Cube root of that value. Next, cube root of 9261. Cube root of 9261. Last digit 1 means we get 1. Remove last 3 digits. 9 nearer cube value is 2. Nearer and lesser value of 9 is 2. 2 cube value is 8. So 81. 2. 21. 21. So 8 means 2 cube 2. 21. Cube root of 21952. 21952. Last digit 2 means we get 8 as the last digit. Remove last 3 digits. Nearer cube value is 2 cube 8. 3 cube is more 27, more value. So here we take lesser value. 8. 8 cube value is 2. Cube root of 8 value is 28. Cube root of 970299. Last digit 9 means we get 9. Remove last 3 digits. 970 nearer cube value is nearer and lesser value of this cube is 729. 729 9 cube root of 9 is 9. 99. Cube root of 1404928. Last digit 8 means we get 2. Remove last three digits. 1404. Nearer cube and lesser than this one is 1331. How much cube? 11 cube. Cube root of 11 cube is 11. Next, last problem. Next, cube root of 1520875. Cube root of 1520875. Last digit 5 means we get 5. Remove last 3 digits. 1520 nearer cube value is 1331. Nearer and lesser value is 1331. That means 11 cube is 11. 115. So in this way, we find cube of any value, cube root of any value within 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds. Please watch my videos. These are useful for placements, updated exams like as CAT, MAT, NTSC, IIT, JEE, TOEFL, GRE, and all these exams. Please subscribe my channel and encourage us. Thank you.